Hello, my name is Rakesh Rao from Bangalore and I represent BricsCAD in India. This video tells you how you can run your BricsCAD in a license level that is different than what you purchased. First, some background. BricsCAD is available in 3 license levels. The entry-level classic version, the mid-range called Pro, and the premium version is called Platinum. The license level that you have purchased determines the highest level at which you can run your BricsCAD. However, you can run BricsCAD at lower license levels also. Here's how you do it. Start BricsCAD. I have the Platinum version running here and I can verify that by clicking on mechanical and sheet metal menus. They are both available. Let us now step down to the Pro version. I click on Settings, open Program Options, go to System, go down all the way, and the last but one item is called Run as License Level. Here I can choose Pro. Exit this dialog, exit BricsCAD, start once again, and I'm now running the Pro version. I can verify this again by clicking on the mechanical menu or the sheet metal menu. They are both grayed out. Under the parametric menu, the 3D constraints is no longer available. All other menu options are now available in Pro. Let us now step down to Classic. I go to Settings once again, and instead of going through Program Options, I'm going to try something slightly different. I'm going to type Run as License here in the search window, and Settings automatically takes me to the relevant section. I choose Classic here, close this, exit BricsCAD, restart once again, and I am now in the classic version of BricsCAD. I can verify this by going to the model menu, and I can see that all the options are grayed out here. Under draw menu, region is not available anymore in classic. Under tools menu, VBA is also grayed out. So this gives me an idea of what options are available in each flavor of BricsCAD. I was wondering why a commercial end user would want this feature, but I figured out a use for this when one of our Platinum users called asking to buy additional licenses, but they wanted to see what was available in the Pro or Classic version to determine if it would suffice. This new feature came in handy for their evaluation. This video is specially made for BricsCAD TV. Do let me know your feedback, comments, or any questions. Thank you.
Download the free trial version of BricsCAD at www.bricsys.com and check it out for yourself.